Okay, let's set this video up. Not these again. Hello everybody, Will here, and I bet you felt that pain. Everyone here for the most part has. Those CAPTCHA tests that you have to take, where they prove that you're not a robot. However, it looks like Cloudflare is up to the challenge to get those pesky pixelated images out of there in a less maddening way to prove you're human. For those of you who did not know, CAPTCHA, or completely automated public Turing to tell computers and humans apart. Lord forbid, that is one heck of a sentence. I'll stick with CAPTCHA. Are the current tests to prove you're human. This is done by selecting crosswalks, buses, traffic lights, bicycles, boats, you name it, and hoping that you don't miss the corner of one. Or have to question, does this wire count? Crosswalks, I'm looking at you, you sneaky lines. Meanwhile, Cloudflare has decided, out with the old and in with the new, and has come up with a new way by looking at or touching a device using a system it calls cryptographic attestation of personhood. Basically, are you a human? Right now it supports a limited amount of USB security keys like YubiKeys, and you can actually test this out right now on their site. Down in the description down below. In a blog released earlier this week, the company stated, the short version is that your device has an embedded security module containing a unique secret sealed by your manufacturer. The security module is capable of providing its own such secret without revealing it. Cloudflare asks you for proof and checks that your manufacturer is legitimate. The internet has evolved and so has AI in terms of breaking security. And security is one of the biggest things a company should look at from an IT perspective. Do you guys prefer those annoying CAPTCHAs, or will you be trying out Cloudflare's new alternative to prove we aren't pigeons or robots? Let us know in the comment section down below. Subscribe to the channel to stay up to date, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next video.